Please excuse the background noise because I'm not on my usual spot of recording, but the show must indeed go on now, mustn't it? Anyway, in today's episode, hayi kuvele kwaba matasa ke when umthunzi, you know, ishaya lapha when ubaba ingane ithi hayi ngiyaxolisa ungamane uqhubeke nalento oyenzayo ngiyaxolisa ukuthi awuzukwazi ukukhokha i-school fees sami purely because uthenga umuzi omusha. Iphinde ishaye la mase your previous wife says yazi akusenani besicela usiphumela. Manje this is happening when Ulihle decided to go and see ubaba wakhe, and she was going to tell him about school fees sakhe. Athi mafika lapha athola ukuthi hayi kuyathuthwa phela lapha kwadinhle ubaba wakhe uthenga umuzi omusha, and ubaba wakhe bekashilo ukuthi he won't be able to ukuthi amkhokhele school fees. But then she was going there to say lalela baba le nkinga le esiphethe hayi ungathi seyasolveka ngoba uDinangwe ukwazile ukusiza nge-school fees. Athafika lapha uthola abantu bathutha kumnandi, happy family, kuhahanjwa ke kuwa umzini omusha. Athi ke nginganibambezeli ke bese ngihamba. Mahamba lapho uNhlosi le ndaba le amphathanga kahle. He felt the need to call uDinangwe to ask him, in fact to thank uDinangwe and say, Dinangwe, thank you very much for paying school fees because vele bekunzima. uDinangwe wathi lalela lo muntu lo ngamgcina emshedweni mina. I don't even know ukuthi what are you talking about, which means that is years back. All right? And the truth of the matter is uMadlomo utshela abantwana ukuthi imali ibuya kuDinangwe and then umthunzi uzosiza ukuyikhokhela back. But what she did not say is that imali ibuya kumthunzi. And I was so eager and so ready, and I was so desperate to hear uMadlomo atshela umthunzi uNhloso ukuthi imali ibuya kumthunzi. But again, that did not happen because ubaba kaLihle decided to go to see uMadlomo to ask ukuthi imali iphuma phi because uDinangwe akazi lutho. Athi ngithathe loan yabona for abantwana bami ngizowenza nanoma yini sibali. Nanami kusho ukuthi ngithathe enye loan yesi2 ngizowenza kanjalo ke dade kuleka phuza ifanta ngisazohamba ngiyothatha loan. And then baphuma lapha umoya wakhe bokhubazeke kabi because he did not get anything out of what he thought he was going to get. He didn't get answers. In fact, he was actually embarrassed of everything that is happening here. Now, on the other hand, khona inqubekela phambili when it comes to ukutshontsha kwemali ya mokhwebong ya Thapelo. Hokare maybe upressed too hard to a point where now it has come to attention yaga Tepsuguti. No, these people have stolen 5 million. 5 million is gone, and then man hona lisithunya godimo tlhogo ya motho. So Thapelo goes to the office and then goes with Umdala. They're on this Operation Dudula, Operation Sviela, Operation Bring Back the Money when they got there, and then they cleared security, make sure that there's no trace to them. And at umpu ekhanda lalela iphi imali yami aringahlalusa. While he was trying to hlalusa, then isizwe yambamba kwavele kwaba mavitiviti. And I'm really worried gore ha tsoga because what they did, they tried to make it as if he fell by himself, and then they put him on a chair so that anyone comes find him, they will think there's an accident. So now, which is a problem, because now Uvuvu, I think uzumthola vele amhambisa Mrs. Bedlela, because at the time when they were exiting, Uvuvu was coming in asking security ukuthi ngifuna umuntu okanje, bese bayasho gena ukuthi lo muntu okanje umfunayo use officing. So Umdala no Teps, they left, right? I'm sure Uvuvu uzomthatha Mrs. Bedlela, but inkinga yami ukuthi ma evuka lapho esibedlela kwakhona angeke azakhulume yini, because yeah yabo ikuphi icikama ukuphi, because mina ngifuna lo mama lo atholakale. Because now if abamtholi umama, and then because the conversation that they had between Victor and Talita, Victor was threatening Talita that she must clear his name, otherwise she is going to tell the police. And then Talita said, I've got a video of you pretend alapaya, so they're not going to believe you. Again, the problem is going to be that even if you've got a video, umbuzo uthi why ufonela the perpetrator okokoko, so uyanfonela bofuna. So it's gonna show ukuthi vele I did not do anything to you when you are just on some dodgy business that you're doing. So now which obviously at this point it's a 50-50 score, and I'm just thinking, oh, I hope Talita does not win again, because why? Now there's this podcast. Now I kind of see where the podcast is going. Ubuyi is now pushing at the agenda with Labantu. They must create a fake beef balwe online, and thereafter they're gonna get numbers. And from how it looks, the numbers are going really, really high because of the beef that they're trying to create. But the question is, won't this hurt their marriage? It won't it maybe after all these things, or is it just going to be a beef and then they're going to keep it just as that, and then they keep their lives separate from the podcast? Because at some point that sounds like a clickbaiting. You're lying to your audience. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload, and I really appreciate you daily.